Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best antler mount is probably one of the most striking ways to display your hunting trophies or celebrate the majesty of nature. From the rugged outdoorsman to the interior design aficionado, the allure of a well-crafted antler mount is undeniable. Join me as we delve into the world of antler mounts, exploring the various styles, materials, and considerations to help you choose the perfect piece. Number 5. Mountain Mike's Shed Spreader Antler Mounting Kit. This is a universal antler mounting skull plate kit for deer. It's compatible with your own harvested antlers or shed antlers. The kit comes with two different size interchangeable top sections. You can choose which size fits your antlers best. It also includes all the hardware needed to attach a set of antlers. It's designed for a timely and no-mess fashion. Ralph and Vicky Cianciarulo, North America's favorite hunting couple, proudly endorse this product. You can see them on their hunting television show, Archer's Choice, on the Outdoor Channel. The kit has a natural finish. It will look great wherever you decide to display it. What we like. This kit offers universal compatibility, fitting a wide range of antler sizes. Its easy, no-mess installation makes it perfect for those who want a quick and hassle-free mounting experience. If you are looking for a natural finish and a simple way to display your antlers, you should consider this. What people say. Both sizes work for antlers. We had to hang the ER right next to our other skull mount and no one can tell the difference other than it's shorter. It's nice and sturdy and fits the antlers really well. Works very nicely, just what I wanted. I'm definitely happy. Great price and easy to install. Looks good. The skull plate looks like it was bleached. Would definitely buy again. Number 4. TTW Ultimate Antler Mounting Kit, Black Walnut. This mounting kit is crafted from solid black walnut. It provides a sturdy and elegant base for your antlers. The rich wood grain adds a touch of natural beauty. Setting up this kit is a breeze. The design is user-friendly, making the mounting process simple and straightforward. You'll have your antlers displayed in no time. Everything you need is included in the kit. Clear instructions guide you through each step. All the necessary hardware is provided for a secure and lasting mount. The kit features a beautiful satin finish. This finish enhances the wood's natural grain and gives it a smooth, refined look. It's a perfect complement to any decor. This product is proudly made in the USA. It represents quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. You can trust its durability and lasting appeal. What we like. This kit features solid walnut construction, providing a premium and durable base for your antlers. It's quick and easy to use, saving you time and effort. If you appreciate quality craftsmanship and want a beautiful, long-lasting display, this is the one for you. What people say. Everything is made really good and easy to use and works the best all around. Antlers look the best. The wood plaque is very nice. The mounting hole for the back is heavy duty. The covering is made of a rubber and is easy to cut and very maneuverable. Looks nice when done. Number 3. Mountain Mike's Young Buck Skull Master Kit. Introducing the Young Buck Skull Master Kit from Mountain Mike's Reproductions. This kit is designed for mounting your harvested or shed antlers. It's a great way to display your trophies. The kit is made entirely of plastic and is imported. This ensures durability and a realistic look for your mount. It's built to last. This kit is compatible with your own antlers. Whether you've harvested them or found them shed, this kit provides a great solution. It's easy to use. The Skull Master Kit comes with all the necessary hardware. This includes everything you need to attach your antlers to the European deer skull replica. It makes the process simple. The single-size kit is designed for antlers up to 3 inches in circumference. It's perfect for young buck antlers. Make sure it fits your needs. Please note that the positioner wall mount is not included. You will need to provide your own mounting solution. Consider this when planning your display. What we like. This kit is made of 100% plastic, offering a lightweight and easy-to-handle mounting solution. It's designed for young buck antlers, providing a perfect fit for smaller racks. If you have a young buck's antlers or prefer a lightweight and easy-to-install option, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Mike's helps you turn them easily into presentable trophies. Great quality and looks great. Very simple to assemble and feels super sturdy. Number 2. Bone Collector, the Change-Up Antler Mounting Kit. This kit from Big 8 Products makes mounting antlers a breeze. It provides everything you need for a professional look, saving you time and effort. With the change-up system, you can easily switch up your display. It's designed for flexibility, allowing you to showcase your trophies with ease. The kit comes complete with a skull cap for a clean finish. This ensures a polished presentation, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Big 8 Products is known for its quality and durability. This kit is built to last, providing a secure and lasting display for your antlers. The change-up kit is designed for ease of use. The instructions are clear, and the process is straightforward, even for beginners. What we like. This kit is designed with a unique change-up design, offering a fresh look for your antler display. It includes a skull cap, providing a complete and realistic mount. If you want a unique and easy-to-use kit with a skull cap, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Easy to use and looks great. Easy to mount the antlers and display on a wall or just set it in a surface. Easy to mount our sheds. Look clean. Number 1. Illusion Rack Plaque Deer Antler Mounting Kit. This rack plaque makes mounting your harvested or shed antlers simple. Attach them quickly and cleanly using the included shed spreader through the back. It's designed for a fast and easy antler plaque mount. The system is designed to work with any size deer antlers. You don't need to worry about cutting leather. Hardware and instructions are included, making it a hassle-free process. The high-quality pine-stained back plaque and stitched leatherette cover create a beautiful display. It's a great alternative to the velvet-covered plaques of the past, offering a unique touch. Forget about boiling, beetles, or harsh chemicals. This product allows you to simply attach the antlers to the plaque. It's a clean and straightforward way to complete your mount. The entire system is a fraction of the cost of traditional taxidermy. You can complete the process in minutes and enjoy the display for years to come. It's a cost-effective solution. What we like. This kit offers quick and easy mounting, allowing you to display your antlers in minutes. Its universal sizing ensures compatibility with any size deer antlers. If you are looking for a cost-effective and simple way to mount your antlers without the mess, this is the one for you. What people say. I found a really nice matched set of shed antlers that I wanted to display. After doing some research, I landed on this product. I will say that the instructions make it seem much easier to do. Probably took me close to an hour, used a hand sander to flatten the base of the antler and a drill to drill the holes in the antlers for mounting. Took some time to get everything lined up properly, but once you do, everything looks really good. For what it costs, I think it looks like a professionally done mount. Super easy to do. Looks really good. I've done many antler mounts over the years and these were by far the best. For best results, it requires a bit of work to the base of the antlers, but once they're on, it's as simple as measure, tighten, and assemble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.